Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install C Sharp. Well, actually you're going to be installing Visual Studios, but it is pretty much C Sharp because it's used for coding in C Sharp. So if I switch over to here, let's see, so you want to search Visual Studio. And once you search that, then you can go to here and you want to do the second one. visualstudio.microsoft.com. You can also type visualstudio.microsoft.com up here, but you don't have to. So if you scroll down here, you can go and then download. You want to download the community version because that version is the free version. Once you download community, then you can run the installation process, and that will be the first part. Okay, so I switched over. Once you finish the installation sequence, you can do it however you want. I just decided to skip it because it's pretty much just like the Python one. So if you want to watch that video, just go to my channel. Make sure to subscribe, please. And alright, so here you want to press the button called. Well, you'll probably be over here, and if this is already installed when you installed it, good for you. And you want to press modify. Otherwise, you can just install it from the other spot, and then you want to choose which ones you want. So it might take a moment to load and say getting things ready, but then you want to press net desktop development, .NET desktop development. Oh, and if you want to install Python from here, you can use this Python thing, and it will actually use it in as your Python, so you can just use that instead of actually installing Python. There's a lot of other stuff, like maybe you want to use these. Linux development is usually really good if you want to do stuff on Linux. But you mainly just want this. Oh, and this is only available on Windows, I believe. You might be able to get it, but I think it's only available on Windows. And this is to make .exe files. Down here, you want to do install while downloading is the fastest. Then you can choose download on installing, and then you gotta click on one, and then you gotta click modify. So yeah, and then once that installs, that will be it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.